So we're on the search for Hill-Law. That's the one we're gonna look for. This is a beautiful butterfly bush. It's not what we're looking for, but that is a beautiful plant. It's like a nice, pretty rose bush. What's this?
Pride of Barbados.
Ida Barbados?
Pride of Barbados.
These leaves kind of look like chickpeas. Ooh, look at these. These are sort of low. It is. It's kind of like purple. Purple.
Only thing is, I know like they're not. Oh, there's herbs.
Oh, they got some trees here. What's this? Okay. It's parsley? Oh, look at this. Is an avocado tree, baby. They charging $70 for an avocado tree. What's this? Citronella. Lime. This is kumquat?
Loquat.
Loquat?
Yeah. It ran and it just fell over on me.
It must love you. That thing's
It's an apricot yellow pear fruit.
Oh, okay. I ain't never heard of that.
Yeah, Lead Farmer 73 was talking about it on his channel.
Interesting. You said it's a what? It's a rare tree? Oh, look, these ones got limes on them. Yeah, I know, right? They waxing. That's crazy. Yeah, they got limes on them. These are citrus fruits. You got lemons. Let me pick you up. You all right, buddy? Here, get up. Orange bolo. That ain't what we looking for. We might have to grab some of these and plant them. Look at her. Look. Yeah, these are peppers. You want to grab a couple? Vegetables. Rio Grande Gold. La Joe Hot. That pepper pie is steaming. Y'all ever heard of La Joe Hot pepper? What's these over here? Jalapenos. Hey. What's that?
Cuban oregano.
Cuban oregano. Let me see it. I want to smell it. Cuban oregano. It smells pretty good. It's pink. Interesting. I wonder if it's a hybrid or if it's natural.
What's that purple thing?
This right here?
Oh,
A Mexican oregano.
is this what you're looking for?
What's it called?
Oh, look and see if that one has a name.
This right here?
There's a name. Did you figure out?
It was just laying here.
I'm asking you to pick it out so
What I'm saying is that it was just laying there, so I'm not sure.
Take out the name. I smell something.
It smell good, don't it? It smell like pizza. You smell basil?
I don't know.
Oh no, this is.
It doesn't have a name in it, so I don't know what it is. But this looks like that flower you was.
Let's see.
Well, maybe not, because it's like brown.
There we go. What about this one? Oh, lucky star pink. That's not it.
Really? What's this herb right here?
I think this is the Mexican oregano. That smells so good.
I don't think it's
Is
this
that
one
that?
smell. Stop.
It's my hand, actually.
Nope, that's not what I smell. Sweet maple. That's not good. That's not good.
What about this? Smell this right here.
Oh, that's it. It's sage. Yes, that sounds sage.
You know you're sage, don't you? This basil right here.
Oh, this is lemon.
Is it lemon balm or is it?
There's no stick.
Yeah, that's that lemon for sure. I can smell it. What's this? Look at this pretty flower.
This is okra.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we got some okra in the garden. So as of now, we have not found what we're looking for. Y'all can just get up with us. Y'all can get y'all avocado trees from us. I'm really knocked out. They got more flowers over here. Look at all these flowers. Look like they got a radio station going. It says Gardening South Texas. Look, they got a little show popping off over there.
But it's a taller one.
Them spikes on. Look at these spikes. Whack. That's how you
Now these look good. Mine don't look so good. So
What are they?
they're butterfly bush.
Oh, oh, we might.
Mine, I haven't seen too many butterflies.
Okay,
I
okay.
just planted it this spring.
So soon they will come.
Are you looking for like pollinators?
Well, right now we're looking for a plant called Hilal. You ever heard of it? This plant right here.
No, but it's pretty.
I know, right?
Yeah, but you know what? I asked one of the people to help me. They can help you. You know, like one of the people watering, or there's a man with an orange shirt.
You look cute. What kind of tree is this? Maple? $100? Yeah, look at this little leaf. Are those banana trees? Look at this beautiful tree right here. What a beautiful tree. How you doing, brother? Give me 5. Give me 5. So we haven't found it quite yet, but wow. We got ours on Facebook for a cheap. Cheap. That's that GMO shit. I think a banana tree in the house would be dope, but just from buying it from here, I don't think so. We got a banana plug. Excuse me, I got a question.
Yes.
Do you guys have this right here, hill law? See it right
The coneflower.
Right here, yeah, right here.
Oh, this one.
You got coneflower?
So we do sell those. I would have to look. So these are perennials. They were gonna be. See all these plants in front of the 2-story right here, and then there's the hug me tree in that area. I think the coneflower is over there, right next to the hug me tree.
And then what about the hill law?
The hill all I would have to ask.
Okay.
I know we do sell it though.
Okay, for sure.
I've seen it before.
Thank you.
Yes.
Appreciate you.
Yes.
We're in the greenhouse, Marley. Look at all these pretty flowers. Look at this. What is that? Look at that. You want to touch it? Got a lot of plants in here. Look, Marley, these are peach trees. What? Look at these peach trees. You know what these are, don't you? These are some big ones. You said some figs and pecans. Let's see them. Persimmons. Pomegranates. I can say one thing, the difference between the nurseries and the grocery stores and buying trees is that at the grocery store, they're literally half of the price. And so like the peach trees here are like $50. The ones at the grocery store, $25.
But they don't have it anymore.
That's true. They are out of season at the grocery store. What's this right here?
This is a fig, brown turkey fig.
Brown turkey
Look,
fig.
you can see the figs on here.
Let's see.
Where is it? I just saw one of the figs.
Oh, there it is. Look at those. They smell good. What is it?
Plum.
A plum? Oh, and across the street, well, next door, they selling some fresh peaches. We're gonna have to grab a couple of those. What's this tree right here, baby?
Right here?
Yeah, right there.
It's $150.
150?
It doesn't say.
Let me take a picture of us right there. Pull up a little bit. You looking for mommy? She right there.
I don't know.
You don't got no name?
I want an orchard like this. I want to be able to walk through our orchard like this.
You want to be able to walk through the orchard like this and pick and pluck the fruits?
Yes.
I feel you.
Oh, that's good. This is a plum.
That's a plum? And so right now we are in, oh, let me get that. Here, take the camera. And as y'all can see, we are the only people in the berry aisle.
We're the only people in the fruit tree aisle. How about that?
And berries are super fruit.
And we were the only people in the herb aisle, the vegetable aisle.
Look, here go another one.
But there's so many people here. But guess what people are doing? Stop eating all the fruit. Mom.
All right, look up. That's good. I'm gonna have to get one of these berry trees.
Oh my God.
Which one did you just find? A goji berry? You said these are very antioxidant?
This was $15. It's a blackberry. But it's looking sad. But at the Garden of Treatz, we take care of plants.
Yeah, we're gonna get it right.
You trying to get the $15 one?
This is a goji berry, which is a very rare fruit.
So goji berries are really good for antioxidants. They're very healthy. You can only find them in the grocery stores dried because they don't last very long. Kind of like acai berries. But yeah, so this is a very, very good tree to have. So are we gonna get this tree?
1 second, look at this. This is a seed that I just got from that blackberry. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna save it.
Where is it?
There's a lizard right. Y'all see the lizard?
I don't.
Right there, look at that lizard.
Where is it? Must be camouflage.
So we got a goji berry and a blackberry. They got grapes, look. Wow, they got the vines already growing. I wonder how long it'll take to produce the fruits. But these ones are $44. That's a great number. Had to come get some of these peaches. They smell so good. That thing good, huh? We back here tearing these peaches up. They juicy. This our third one. It's good, eh? Let go, you trying to bite the thing. Look at her little teeth mark. This your side. This my side. That's your side. Here, this your side right here. Here. You eat your side.